Well, good afternoon. Well, actually, it's about 9:10 and 9:20 in the morning on Sunday morning, September 29th, 2024. This is Williams, Philippines. Oh, got the hiccups. Just got through eating. Wait. Saw a video that they were like holding bodies hostage in the Philippines for, if you die, the hospital holds your body hostage some way or another. I don't know if that's right or not, but maybe, I don't know. The bill wasn't paid and they're not going to let the body go until somebody pays the bill. What are they going to do with mine? If I die over there in a hospital, what are they going to do? Hold somebody, hold me hostage until somebody pays my medical bills if I'm in a hospital? Who's going to pay for me? Because there isn't nobody but me over there. If I'm going over there, I die. It's just me. I don't know. Personally, I don't want to be brought back to the U.S. So as far as I'm concerned, if they want to hold me hostage in the hospital, well, I hope I smell by the time they decide to go ahead and let somebody bury me. I'll pay for a funeral procession or a funeral box, a casket, and get buried. I'm okay with that. But I ain't going to pay. So, if I die, I'm not there to pay it. They better be prepared to get rid of me, because as far as I'm concerned, I just as soon smell the hospital up until they break and kick me out. I don't care. Yeah. But yeah, I saw a strange video about death in the Philippines, and of course now they also don't really bury you. Personally, I'm okay with getting cremated, but apparently they do some weird stuff over there. You only get the spot you're buried in for a certain amount of time unless you keep paying for it. I don't know. It sounds weird to me. But hey, I'll be dead. What do I care? Yeah. And yeah, sounds weird to me. Anyway, the reason I'm getting to you late here today, I make the choice to work where I work. Usually I don't have any problems with getting things done. But I did, manage to get over 6,000 steps today, so yay there. I think that's 2.5 miles, if I remember right. But, yeah, I went to, 2.66 miles. Anyway, I was trying to get this thing started earlier. Got about 2 minutes into it, and somebody came up and disturbed me. Started talking to me while I'm trying to video this, so I had to shut it down. And they left, and I took a walk around, and then came back and sat back down, tried to do it again. Yeah. Another person come and disturbed me. I wasn't even 30 seconds into it. Gave up, did a couple more walks around. Yeah. Yep, they disturbed me again. I was about a minute into that one. So I had 3 attempts at trying to get this thing taken while I was at work. Yeah, and then about the time I was going to go do it a 4th time, somebody came down before I even got started on it. So I gave up on the idea. Because by the time I got done talking with them and such, it was time for me to take and start doing breakfast. Yeah. But hey, it is what it is, and sometimes you have people check in at 3:30, 4:30, 5:30 in the morning. I don't really think it's a good time to check into a hotel, but sometimes it just works out that way. But that's okay, you know. That's what we're in the business for, is to, have rooms for people to sleep in, and sometimes they don't get a lot of sleep. But hey, we got them checked in, and they got a room to sleep in, and that's the important part. The boss is happy. But yeah, here's you a kicker. Check somebody in. I think I might have mentioned this, but I had somebody come in and they had a reservation with hotels.com or something like that. And they had a reservation through there for a room I didn't have. They had a single king room reserved, and it was, not a room that I had available. So I told them I don't have that room available, and I'm going to have to try to work something. And I go in and I find a reservation that didn't charge. The credit card didn't charge, so they don't have a room now. I cancel that reservation, and I put this guy in there, and I'm like, yeah, you got lucky. I actually can fix this. Otherwise, you'd be a real mess. The guy gives a bad review for me getting him into a room. A bad review for me because Hotels.com made a reservation that they shouldn't have made. And this guest is mad at me and leaves a bad review on me. Yeah. I don't know. I just don't get that. But hey, it is what it is, I can't do anything about somebody getting upset that, the Hotels.com did something and messed up their night and made me have to take and juggle to get them in a room. And this guest is upset with me for telling them that they got lucky, that I actually ended up being able to fix it and get them into a room. I just don't get that. But hey, some people, I guess there's some that just look to the dark side and choose to be miserable all the time. And even when something, gets fixed by someone else that didn't create the problem, they're still upset about it. It is what it is. I'm not gonna. That's their problem. Like I say, I deal with me. I'm still happy. Although it did make me question, why, but, some people just choose to be negative, sadly. Anyway, I don't know. I'm having one of them days. Just finished eating something and I'm ready to go to bed. I'm tired. And, long night and legs are sore because of yesterday and today, getting a few good days in. I'm trying to make sure I keep my average. I want to bust 6,000 every day this week. I made it 45 to 5,000 last week. I want to try to see if I can keep it up to 6,000. Yeah. My relief was telling her what I'd done, showed her that I'd had almost, 8,000 something, almost 9. She said I should have went for 10. Yeah. I'm looking at her like she done lost her mind. But hey, she's right. She says, next month, 10,000. I'm like, Yeah, I'm still trying to average at least 6,000 every day. I have had some higher ones, but I'm shooting to get at least 6,000 every day for the rest of this week. And next week. We'll see about bumping it up to 7,000 sometime into October, maybe. I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm feeling better and such, and I'm getting more mileage, which is a good thing to do. But, you know, it is what it is. And being able to, you know, get the exercise. But again, sometimes you get disturbed while trying to get things done. I was barely able to get the 6,000 today. I think I got 6,200 and something. So yeah, it could have been a little better if I hadn't had all those people show up this morning. I might have even hit 7,000 this morning, but no, people showed up. I had to work with them, get them in a room, which is what I'm actually getting paid for. So yay, that's a good thing. My boss stays happy, and well, I get to walk around the parking lot disturbing anybody trying to do stupid on Stupid Street out there. And it's always a good thing to discourage people from doing stupidity. But hey, if they're wanting to take and do it, it just happens. And not my problem if they actually do it. Hey, I was stupid when I was young too. That's why I try to avoid it nowadays, because that stuff's painful. It is what it is. Anyway, I was looking on a YouTube, and like I said, I saw the one about the hospitals holding the body. You know, it's like, how can they do that? I don't get it. But yeah. And also, I was looking. I don't know why that one popped up. Because I was actually looking originally for travel insurance and trying to get a few ideas of different companies that are available and trying to see which ones, you know, have a better rate for me. Ain't none of them cheap when you're my age. Apparently, if you're a baby, they'll insure you for trillions of dollars, but you 60 plus, they want to charge you $1 trillion to get 5 back. Yeah, maybe it's not quite that bad, but yeah, makes you wonder. Travel insurance. Part of me says, yeah, get you some, because, well, you're going to be out there going through and doing things, and it'd be a good idea to have it in case of accidents. And I can understand that. What if they cancel my flight or my luggage gets lost? But then don't the airlines pay you if your stuff gets lost? I don't know. I thought that's what they, you know, I don't know. But then they said this is on top of that, and I'm like, okay, I guess. That, and it also covers in case your flight's canceled or you end up delayed, so that you can, you know, cover, I guess, a hotel if you get stuck where you're stuck. There's so many things that the travel insurance covers. I'm not sure. You know, do I want to spend extra money on what ifs? I mean, it's questionable. Of course, I'm the one looking at getting high dollar vaccines. Isn't that a what if? I don't know. Burning brain cells trying to decide this, that, and the other. But yeah, we all get to make decisions. It's always better to make an informed decision, so trying to invest a little time into educating yourself about things is good. There's a lot out there to learn, though. I've been pretty much, like I say, night auditor at a hotel. Yeah, pretty much I sleep during the day and I'm up during the night, so I don't associate with a lot of normal stuff most people do. You know, I don't do a lot of traveling. I pretty much nose to the grindstone for the last 20 years. That's the last time I took a vacation. 20 years. That's why I'm so ready to go and retire. I'm tired. I want to go be a beach bum and enjoy being on a beach. Where my biggest concern is, did I buy enough bait not to pull off the beach before 7 a.m.? Or did I buy too much bait and I'm going to be stuck there past 9 a.m.? Yeah, that's my stress load on this. I want to get over there and get out on a boat and try to catch that big tuna too. But I want to fish off the beach also because, well, sitting on a beach making a few casts once in a while, watching the clouds go by and sunrise go down, sunset, or sunset and then sunrise, and then get off the beach because it's starting to get too warm. Sound like a plan to me. A bad day fishing is better than most everything else. Yeah. And on a tropical island to boot? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I've been looking at the cost of insurance and such, and that one video popped up and kind of made me wonder about, hospitals over there. I heard that they also hold you hostage if you're alive and they haven't been paid yet. They tried to hold you hostage, but now I'm hearing that they hold your body hostage if you're dead. I don't get that one. Yeah. I don't know. It's not America. It's not the way it's done over here, but hey, it's not over here, so welcome to the Philippines kind of thing. I'm going to be okay with that. Yeah, but anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed Sunday. That was just one of the stray thoughts that happened to catch me and run through my brain today. And yeah, I'm ready to get out of here and get over there and start fishing. Get my eye fixed. Well, get both of them fixed. But especially this one, because yeah. Don't get me wrong, I can still see, but everything's fuzzy. Yeah, it's not as good as this one. But hey, it is what it is. Cataract surgery, I can't wait. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy your Sunday. I hope you had a big meal or 3. Hang on. I heard them Filipinos, the Pinas, they get a little cranky when they don't get to eat. I hope they had 5 meals, or at least 5 good snacks. Anyway, Williams Philippines, I'm Fish, and hey, fish is out.